Stars shine brightly underneath the darkened sky to guide our way until the break of dawn. High in space they leave a trail as they fly by. Stars shine brightly until dawning.
Hi, I'm Kirra and I'm here to help you learn the Agree Cup song. This song is called Stars Shine Brightly and reminds us to shine brightly like the stars do. I'm going to teach you this song in 4 parts, and I made up a little story to help you remember. Some parts are a little more difficult than others, but stick with me. I know you can do it. Let's get right into it. Okay, let's get right into it. First, you're going to hit both hands down, then you're going to clap, and then you're going to put your left hand on top like it's the sky or the ceiling, and then your right hand under, and it's going to go to the cup, to your hand, to the cup. And then you're going to grab the cup with your left hand, snap with your right, and hit the cup on the table. How I like to remember that is that it's the earth, sky, everything in between, and then grab the cup, that's you, and then your right hand you snap, and that's a star in the sky, and you are on earth. Earth, sky, everything in between, you, star in the sky, you're on earth. Or hands clap, down, up, down, grab, snap, cup. Now let's put our part 1 together just a little bit faster. Down, clap, down, up, down, grab, snap, cup. Let's do that one more time a bit faster because the song's pretty fast. So you're starting with your left hand on the cup and your right hand is in the air. Our part 3 starts with the left hand, you hit cup, and I know we just did that, but there is 2 hits in a row. So you go cup, then you're going to hit your hand down, and then you're going to take your cup and jump over your hand. Hand, jump back over. Then both hands hit, and then you slide them up. How you can remember this is that you, the cup, have other people who are nice to you, and you are nice to them. And then some people aren't so nice to you, but you're still nice to them, but sometimes you have to walk away. Cup, hand, jump, together, up. Good. Let's do that again a little faster. Cup, hand, jump, hand. Let's bring up the speed just one more time. Now it's time for our part 3. We just ended part 2 with our away, and now you have your cup in front of you, and you're going to hit both hands down, and then you carry the cup to the right. Then hit both hands down, and then carry the cup to the left. Our story for part 3 is this is a choice to help people over here, and you choose to help people over there. Let's do that one more time a bit faster. Time for our 4th and final part. We just ended carrying a cup to the left, and now to start before you're going to hit your hands down again, kind of like you did in part 3. And then you're going to grab the cup with both hands, and you're going to lift it into the air. And then take your left hand, make sure you're holding the cup in the right, and take your left hand, hit the brim of the cup, and then you take your left hand down, right hand with the cup, cross over. At the end here especially, it's important to remember what hand you're using. Make sure it's in your right, because you're going to pass the cup to your left when the song is over, and then you have a new cup in front of you to start the song again. To remember part 4, you can remember hitting our hands down is helping people, and then that lifts you up and you're ready to start a new day. Let's try it again a little faster. One more time. Earth, sky, everything in between, you, star in the sky, you're on earth. There are people who are nice and you are kind to them. Some people aren't so nice, but you're still kind to them. Sometimes you need to walk away, and then you help people over here and you help people over there. It makes you happy and ready to start a new day. Let's try it again without our story. Hit, clap, down, up, down, grab, snap, cup, cup, hand, jump, together, up. Hands, cup, hands, cup, hands, grab, lift up, left hand, left, right.
Before we try it full speed with the music, one of the trickiest parts for me was in the first part, the stuff in between. So I want to practice that with you a bit more.
You need to take a little longer break when I say up. So down, up, and take a little pause. And it will sound like this. Let's do that again. Do it one more time with me now. Let's try it once more, a bit slower. And there you have it. Just make sure to put a little extra space on the up.
Great job, you guys. You were doing so good so far. If you need to go back and watch the 4 parts again, that's a great way to master the cup song. Once you feel ready, fast forward to this point of the video and we're going to do the whole thing a little faster. You guys are doing so great so far, and I think it's time to up the tempo.
Stars shine brightly underneath the darkened sky to guide our way until the break of dawn. High in space they leave a trail as they fly by. Stars shine brightly until dawning.
If you didn't get it, just keep trying. It was hard for me at first, but I was able to get it, and I know you can too. And remember to live the golden rule by treating others the way you'd like to be treated.
With light, so when the sun goes down, you'll shine until the dawning.